November 30th is Small Business Saturday, and since Bowling Green State University is located in one of America's best college towns, I was thinking, wouldn't it be a great way to showcase the many wonderful businesses we have here in Bowling Green? We're going to start with the cookie jar. Welcome to this month's Rogers Report. Joey, tell me a little bit of what are we doing here today?
This is our chocolate chip. It's our most famous, most popular cookie. And we will use this and put an Oreo inside to create our Inception cookie.
Well, how many batches of cookies do you make a day?
Probably about 5.
How many cookies are in the batch?
About 130-ish to 140-ish.
And then 5 days a week and 7 years? So think of that, 7 years, 52 weeks in a year, 5 days, 130 a day. See, that would be 1,183,000, I think, right?
Sounds about right.
You do great deliveries across campus,
Oh, yeah.
And with exams coming up, you're going to be even more busy. No, I've got a schedule to keep.
Well, we started here in 1978. My mother and father started this place. I purchased it from them in 2011, and ever since it's just been a blessing to be here in Bowling Green.
So you're going to show us the magic.
Well, we'll start off with the pepperoni here. Then after we put the original items down, here comes the cheese, what makes the breadstick, right? And then rolling's very important. We always pick the ends, we curl them in, and here's the start of our breadsticks here.
Whoa, yeah, they are still hot. Whoa. That is really good. One thing that makes Bowling Green one of America's great college towns is Ben's, a store that has everything.
This business opened in 1976 as Ben Franklin. I'm old enough that I don't have to work anymore, but I love what I'm doing, and I love the customers, I love the people, and we'll just keep on going.
Floyd, thank you for all you do to make this a great college town. It's so important for this city, so important for our university.
Well, you know, it works both ways. The university is a big help for us. In fact, the reason I settled in Bowling Green was because of the university.
Thank you, and we hope you have a great Small Business Saturday on November 30th.
Thank you. We do too.
Yes. Ben's has everything. I feel like a kid every time I come into Ben's. So tell me about Grounds for Thought and what does it mean for this community?
I think it means a lot for this community. We've been here since 1989. I like to think that we're a great meeting spot for the community, including students. So we're gonna make a cafe campana together. I'm gonna tamp it down so that you get the right pull, put it up, and then if you wanna press this double
This button?
yeah. And so now,
Look at that.
I'm gonna grab the whipped cream for you. And then if you wanna go ahead and put some whip on top.
Should I shape it like a falcon? Okay, there's the head,
Okay.
there's the wings, and there's the feet. Wow. So we are here at Mr. Spots.
My husband had a cat named Spot. He was a senior in college and was trying to figure out what he was going to do after graduation, so he decided to open a restaurant.
Teresa, you've got another job.
I'm the state senator for this area.
Both of you as graduates of the Bowling Green State University, I thank you for your leadership and your involvement and commitment to the community, to both of you.
Well, you know, the things you learn at Bowling Green State University will take you far. I'm a very proud alum of BGSU. I got my business degree here, and actually my son is a sophomore here at BGSU.
Welcome to Mr. Spots. Would you like to supersize that? No. Who's next?
Let's go honey barbecue.
Honey barbecue? What do you think about honey garlic, though? Okay, we'll do honey barbecue. Would you like a receipt? Because I don't know how to do it, so that's good. Thank you. Cookies and coffee, cheesesteaks, breadsticks, and a store that has everything. That's what makes a great college town. But there's a lot more to it as well. It's about a community coming together. It's about the importance of small business driving the economic vitality of this city and cities across the country, and that's what it means to drive public good. We are here at the Wooster Green in the city of Bowling Green, a park that was just opened. I want to shout out to Mayor Edwards and all of City Council and all the citizens of Bowling Green to create yet another park that is adding to the vitality of this community. It is a great town. It is one of America's great college towns, and we are proud to be our home in the city of Bowling Green. We'll see you next month on the Rogers Report.